Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can activate Wonka theme on Facebook Messenger. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Play Store and search for the Messenger. You need to open Messenger and click on update. Once you done that, you simply need to go back and open Messenger. So once you open Messenger, you simply need to select any conversation. Then you simply need to click on this icon on the top right. From here you need to click on theme, and here you can see Wonka. Click here and click on select. Wait for few seconds, and after that Wonka theme will be activated for this conversation. So this is the process. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.